Flutter has a lot of widgets to help with explicit animations, ones that you, the developer, code up. But there are also widgets for implicit animations, those that animate changes for you. A good one to know is AnimatedContainer. You can build it once with a particular attribute, like color, and when you rebuild it with a different value, say in response to a set-state call, AnimatedContainer performs a linear interpolation between the two values. And it's more than just colors. You can animate borders, border radii, background images, shadows, gradients, shapes, padding, width, height, alignment transforms, and more. The length of the animation is controlled by the duration parameter, and you can also specify your own curve to customize the effect. There are a bunch of other widgets to help with implicit animations too, so head to flutter.io for more info.